Every month, Raj had one responsibility: keep production running. But one hydraulic machine kept shutting down, costing the plant 10 lakh in lost production every hour.
Raj, production has stopped again. We'll miss today's target by almost 30%. Do we need another oil change?
This was the third breakdown in 2 months. They had already replaced 3,000 liters of hydraulic oil, but the failures kept coming. Maybe the oil isn't the problem. Maybe what's inside the oil is. Let's test it before replacing it again.
Hello, Minimac Systems.
Hello, I'm Luby from Minimac Systems.
We are facing repeated machine breakdowns due to oil contamination.
Don't worry, I will be there shortly. We'll eliminate the contamination.
The oil is heavily contaminated with water and particles. We'll restore the oil using our advanced filtration systems and get your production back on track.
Thank you, Luby. You didn't just solve our oil contamination problem, you helped us restore production.
That's what we're here for. At Minimac, we help industries improve cleaner oil and lacemer maintenance.